Hi everyone, ready to explore a new hotel? Conrad Orchard, Singapore. Let's go! So it's 6 a.m. in the morning and I arrive at Conrad Orchard Hotel. Conrad Orchard is a 5-minute walk from Orchard Boulevard MRT and just a short stroll to Singapore's iconic shopping belt, Orchard Road. So I wanted to share how I landed on an incredible deal at Conrad Orchard. A typical King Deluxe room at this hotel costs around $423, and that's without breakfast. So if you're looking for a higher tier room, you can always opt for the King Executive Room, which not only offers a high floor view, but also includes executive lounge access, which means breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening cocktails are included for up to 2 packs. So this room at that time of booking was priced at $588. So here's what happened. I paid for the King Deluxe room but got upgraded to the King Executive room. On top of that, I benefited from an Amex offer that was happening at that time, which brought my final cost down to just $318, which means that roughly for the price of 2 dinners at Conrad Orchard Basilico, I scored a luxurious night in a hotel with 3 meals included for 2 packs. Unbelievable value. Of course, this value would not have been possible without the upgrade, so I'm incredibly grateful to Conrad Orchard. This is it, the main entrance. Let's take a look at the lobby. The first thing you'll notice is the hotel lobby's vibe. It's dynamic and inviting. There's a lot of modern art too. The hotel has undergone renovations since it was a Regent hotel. And while Regent Hotel had an elegant, timeless, charming vibe to it, Conrad Orchard is appealing to a more diverse demographic. So if you're into luxurious modern vibes, then this is your hotel. So the room is not ready yet, so I'm going to go up to the lounge on the 11th floor. Access to this lounge is available for guests staying in the executive lounge rooms or Hilton Diamond members. So the hours typically, this lounge opens from 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. As for service, they offer breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening cocktails. So as you can see, it's 2 p.m. here and there's hardly anyone in the lounge. Oh, and here's something interesting. There's a secret room in the lounge that can be used to conduct meetings, but it's hidden today. Can you guess where it is based on the layout? Comment below in the comments. I'm out on the balcony of the lounge. The day has seen some brighter skies. On a sunny day, it'd be lovely to come outside and have a cocktail on the couches. I went back inside and ordered an iced cappuccino as well as an Earl Grey tea, which of course is all included in the lounge benefits. Along with my drinks, I had some cookies and Singaporean ice biscuits. Okay, so turns out the room is ready now, so let's check out the room. First of all, here's the key card. I'm heading to the room, which is conveniently located on the same floor as the executive lounge. And here we are. The room is spacious and luxurious, with a comfortable king-size bed. Here's a welcome letter highlighting the benefits of the executive lounge floor and the etiquette to follow while enjoying these exclusive amenities. TV is perfect for relaxing to watch your favorite shows or movies. And you've got these framed leaf art pieces to add the natural touch to the room's decor. Check this out. I didn't realize this little thing behind the bed was actually a spotlight. Oh, it comes out. Yeah, that's a handy feature. I mean, it took me a moment, but I think I've got it now. It's the extra light that you never knew you needed. Next to either side of the bed, you'll find various buttons, The first four from the left control the curtains, and they allow you to open or close them with ease. And the other four buttons are related to the room's lighting. There's also a drawer that pulls out, revealing a convenient charging port for your phones. There's one for either side of the bed. Okay, on to the bathroom. Here are the white towels. They look incredibly comfortable and plush. The bathroom features several mirrors, including a beauty close-up mirror and a three-sided mirror, so you can see every angle. Next to the sink, you'll find Byredo toiletries. And here are some beautiful crystal glasses, adding a touch of elegance to the bathroom. Let's check out this drawer. Ooh, look at these plush face towels and the selection of toiletries. Everything you need for a refreshing start to your day. Okay, on to the shower room. So it's this handheld shower head and the rain shower combo. Okay, let's explore the pantry area just outside of the bathroom. Here you can see there's coffee maker, kettle for your tea, and in the drawer you can find gourmet matcha coffee sachets, tea de G, coffee pops, and some truffle nuts. And here in the bottom drawer, a stylish ice holder and a cocktail stirrer. I'm using the filtered water from the dispenser with some ice. And if filtered water isn't your thing, you can always call housekeeping to bring normal water, which comes in these cartons. Okay, let's look inside the wardrobe. What do we have here? Oh, I see a steam iron, a safety deposit box. Oh, what is this? Beautiful Conrad Orchard paper bag. It's a very nice maroon color, looks durable, stylish to carry some shopping items around the city. And here's a thoughtful touch from Conrad Orchard. They're encouraging guests to donate unused items to local charities, and it's simple gestures like these that go a long way. And this hotel goes the extra mile with a complimentary shoe shine service. Way to go for taking care of guests. It's 2:30 and time for afternoon tea. Here I'm back in the executive lounge. To the right of the main dining room is where they serve the food. Found a little drawer with jams and coffee pots. Not sure whether it's self-service, but yeah, this is what I had for afternoon tea. Tea cakes, finger sandwiches, and scones. The selection changes every day, and today we had some pastries from Delhi, France. But their cakes are from Dolcetto, their pastry store downstairs. For evening cocktails from 6 to 8 p.m., the food was delightful with a variety of both cups and non-cup options. The spread included delicious cold cuts, gourmet cheese, salsa, and desserts. And the highlight was this braised abalone soup with 8 treasures. The soup was so good that I had to have 3 servings. For desserts, a selection of tarts and cakes, and this raspberry pistachio was from Dolcetto Pastries. As for drinks, I had the Sauvignon Blanc from Mitchell Lynch. Alright, so back in the room now, look what we have for turn down service. Singapore Sleep Tea. It's a blend of hibiscus, pandan, lemongrass, kaffir, lime leaves. Can't wait to try it. Good night. Okay, it's the next day, and I must say the tea worked wonders. I knocked out right away. So I'm heading down to Basilico for breakfast. Breakfast is served at Basilico or the lounge from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. daily. And given that I had access to both, I decided to go for round 1 at Basilico and then head up to the lounge where I had the best fruit yogurt bowl ever. But more on that later. So it's buffet style. Look at the tempting array of freshly baked goods. You can customize your yogurt, explore the assorted jams, and here you can choose from a range of milk options. Yeah, there is also the fruit corner, some amazing fruits, and a salad bar. Yeah, so this looks like an Indian donut. There's some Chinese noodles. Some people like to eat noodles in the morning. And some stir-fried vegetables. And here's the egg station. Yeah, you can get your eggs made to order. Something interesting about this hotel is that 85% of the eggs that they use are cage free, and they also compost all kitchen food waste to minimize environmental impact. Okay, everyone, I'm back in the lounge to have round two. The selection here is smaller, but they have better fruits like these fresh mangoes and berries. Oh, best ever. Um, Also, I had this omelet, and freedom certainly tastes better. So, thank you, cage free chickens. Keep up the good work. Yeah, I'm at the gym now because I have to work off the food from the last 3 meals. And this envelope looks interesting, so I'm gonna see what's inside. Yep, maybe a love letter. Nope, it's just cold towel. Okay, workout done. Now the pool is right next to the gym, so let's go check it out. So this is the pool. It's right outside Basilico. At night it's really nice. I guess no one's swimming in it. But there's this bathroom right next door, and inside, if you go in the pool, you can also change and use this swimsuit spinner to dry off your swimsuit. There are more Byredo products and some more toiletries and more plushy towels. So that's all for Conrad Orchard Singapore. If you'd like to see more similar videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.